I have the OnePlus Watch 2 and I'll be showing you how to change the watch face. So you can either change the watch face from the watch itself or from the O Health app on your phone. So on the watch, just long press on the current watch face and then you can swipe and choose the watch face that you want to change to. So let's say you want this one, just tap on it and that's going to be your new watch face. Okay, now you can also customize a watch face. So for instance, if you press and hold and it goes back to the watch face editor, you can tap on this button here to edit the current watch face. So you can change things like indexes, you can change the clock hands if you want. So you can see different clock hands as I scroll like that. You can change things like color. You can have different colors for the watch faces, and you can actually go ahead and customize even the complications of the watch. So for instance, here there's heart rate. If you don't want heart rate and you want something else there like humidity, you can select that, and that's going to be a complication. And then once you're happy with that, you can you can now go back, and that's going to be your new watch face. Now on the phone, just go to the O Health app on your phone, and then tap on devices and then select your watch if you have multiple devices. But since I have only one device, it's gonna default to my watch. Now I can change the watch face from these ones, okay? But if I go to my watch faces, just tap on edit or just come here and select watch faces. Either way, it's gonna take you to the watch face page. Now here, there's a huge collection of watch faces, most of which are not on the watch, okay? If you want to see the watch faces that are currently on the watch, just tap on my watch faces, and this is going to show you the watch faces which are currently on the watch. But these are others that you could have on your watch but are not there right now. So for instance, if you see this one, you can just open that particular watch face. Here's a default style, and then here are other additional styles. So for instance, the default style is this. When it goes to the always on display, this is what it's gonna look like. So you can see an actual preview of what it's gonna look like. And also it's free. Okay, most of them are free. If you get some paid ones and you want them, then you might have to pay. But for this one, since it's free, if you like it and you want it on the watch, just tap on apply. It says queued, and currently, as you can see from that progress bar at the bottom, it's being transferred to the watch. So let's just be patient. So once it's done downloading, it's now saying applying. So it's currently applying it to the watch. Now it says applied. And if you look at the watch, you'll now see that we have this particular watch face on the watch. Okay. And of course, for the always on display, it looks exactly as advertised. Okay. So that is basically how to add a watch face, or how to add additional watch faces to your OnePlus Watch 2. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.